Do you feel constrained when standard LWC components cannot do certain things? And to overcome that, you have to depend on developers to deliver the components you need? Imagine this: you run a company that provides mechanical services for various corporate vehicles. To keep operations smooth, you need a clear and dynamic overview of essential details such as visual timeline that shows the history of vehicle purchases, sales, and services, searchable list of services with a filter to find scheduled versus due versus overdue services, conduct surveys of service performance, ratings of your drivers, and above all, how satisfied your clients are with your company. Think, what if you can get out of the box LWC components so that you or your Salesforce admin can use them out of the box and go live quickly? That's where Power Components comes in. A bundle of LWC components that can be used on any Lightning page, be it internal to Salesforce or Experience Cloud or Screen Flows. As you can see, the timeline component provides a clear visual representation of the vehicle and its service history in a single view. You can easily expand and see details of the history. Don't just show the immediate child records of a record, now you can display grandchildren records directly in a related list. This feature allows you to show all the service records for vehicles directly on the account page. You can also apply static filters to display only specific records, such as due and overdue services. Additionally, you can add multiple related lists for services. You can even dynamically filter or search for specific service records under that account. We currently offer more than 10 components, with many more on the way. Do our components solve the challenges you face today? Want to request additional components? Contact us today.